So you want to create your barter card, come here, click on get barter. Because I've logged in already, that's why it's showing this way. But ordinarily, it tells you to go and log in. I'm trying to see if I can log out. Let me see. Okay, let me sign out so that I can sign in. Okay, so if I'm signed out, this is how, if you are logging in for the first time, this is how it is. So for a first time, I click on create account. These are the things it will ask you. The referral code is optional. It's optional. Your email address, your phone number, then you continue. It basically tells you the steps to take. So after creating your account, you log in. You put your phone number. So I want to log in. So let's see. You can okay, I want to log in with my fingerprint. So I've logged in. So it will also ask you if you want to enable that. So this is your Naira, uh, where you have the Naira till. It's like a till. So you want to add money. This will be 00 when you first start. So you come to add money, card or bank, fund transfer. Come to card. So how much do you want to fund this? 20,000, depending on you. 5,000, 2,000, 3,000. Click on this blue sign. Continue. So to ask you to continue, pay with card. Because I already have two cards added to it, that's why it's like this. But if I want to use another card, I come here, say use another card. I put the card number valid till CVV, then I go to pay. So once you go to pay, once you click on pay, the money automatically comes here where you are seeing this 203. So it comes here and it's in Naira. So you want to create a dollar card. You want to create a dollar card so that you can use it for Facebook, Google Ads, and stuff. So you come to cards. I have a dollar card and a Naira card already. So you want to create a new card. Just tap you it for someone who is new to show you create new. So you click on Facebook card. But because I have one, I will need to turn this. You see, once I clicked on it, it said create new card. Can you see? Or you come here, new card. So virtual card, that's what you want to create. This is a gift card. So this virtual card, it says it takes $2 on creation fees, just like getting an ATM card from the bank. So you already have that in mind. So choose virtual card. I want to choose a virtual card. Label the virtual card. You want to label it, you want to say Facebook, so that you know that that's what you want to use for your Facebook. You go to continue. So this is how the card comes out. You go to continue. It will ask you how much do you want to fund. You know, because you already have money in your Naira card. So the money you have in your Naira card, you want to convert it to dollar. So assuming you have 20,000 in your Naira card, let's see how much a dollar is. Okay, so they said it can be less than $5. So a dollar is at 511.20 to $1. So you want to 20,000, let's say that would be like $40. Okay, so you see 20.4448. So you come to create card. So once I click on create card, it's saying I'll be debited a total of $42 because of the cost of the card. So you click on continue, enter your PIN, your transaction is completed. By the time you check it, you discover that a card like this black one would have been created and you have your $40 there. You can now use it for your Facebook adverts and every other thing you want to do. If you want to withdraw your money back, you can still do it. Like now, if you have created a dollar card with 511 to $1, Naira to $1. If tomorrow dollar becomes 600, you know, it means you have made money. You can quickly come and withdraw it. You just tap here. It will show you fund withdraw. You come to withdraw. Once you say withdraw, it will ask you how much dollar do you want to withdraw. $40. That's 20,000 will be funded into your account. You click on withdraw. It will ask you for your PIN. Once you click on withdraw and you put your PIN, it will come to your Naira account here. Once it comes to your Naira account, just go to your home page. This is your home page. Go to send money. Once you go to send money, to ask you send to NGN account. Click on send to NGN account. How much are you withdrawing? Let's say 20,000. So continue. You know why it's showing me 200? Because I don't have more than 200 in my account. So continue. You put the bank name, the account number, beneficiary, you send. That is how you get it out of here. You can send to your piggyvest account, send to any other place. I hope with this you can actually try it.